On deck screener, we have official Melania, we have official Elon, and we have official Trump. We also have this very one, which is very, very new, official Eric and JD. We have all of them all right here. And if you look at down, we have official CZ and Ivanka. So all of this is coming out and it is booming. If you look at the 24 hours increase, we see that Melania is 21,000% all the way upside. The official Trump is coming back down with a 72%. Official Elon coming down. But if you look at this official Eric, is also pumping, okay, 2000+% all the way to the upside. If you look at all of these guys, is coming out new, and all of this is on the Solana blockchain. And which one is the best for you to buy if you want to rig some few dollars, 20, $10, $50, or 100, $1,000, as the case may be? Let's discuss this in detail so I can jump on in and get your hands on all of these meme token if you feel like risking some dollars. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now if you've not done that, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. If you come to desk screener and possibly if you know how to trade on desk screener, connect your wallet, or you trade via pump.fund. And if you come right at this point, the basics is to do some little analysis and know what is going on right here, because in the past few hours this official Melania was just about $19 and now it's increasing greatly. So let's look at that one very quickly, and it is 21,000% all the way to the upside. It still have the possibility of going up, but if you click on this and you come to this very chart area, it is covered that if you come to this very transaction, which is very, very important, if you come down, it is covered that this is all buy transaction. Okay, if you look at this very one, this is just 32 seconds ago. This is $363. And if you look at, there are some ways right here: $13,000, we have $16,000, we have $22,000 right here buying this, and we have $10,000. This is $62,000. Okay, this buy is just 1 minute ago. So I am looking at this very Melania to go crazily all the way to the upside, and I would love to put in some dollars into this very one. And if you love meme, this is the best place you can risk right now, because if all of this coin is just very, very new. If you look at it, there is no sell transaction. There is no sell transaction. 4 minutes ago, $11,000. And if you look at it, they are all buy transaction. Look at the chart right at this very point. Discover that the market just pumped a little bit after this very listing at 0.22, and the market moved upward to $12, come back down to $7, and right now market is sitting at $11.50. So market is still going to move upward. This is very important on this very meme token. Market is going to move upward, and the best time to buy is where it is right now, before it get that listing on major exchanges. So if you want to get your hands on, the best time to buy is right now, before it go on major exchanges. Buy right here, and that aggressive form is still going to come in. If you look at the liquidity, is $521 million, and market cap is 1.72 billion. This is crazy. So some person can also think it's not going to do much because of the market capitalization. But I believe Melania, this is official Melania right here, is going to still move up to a 10 billion market capitalization. And this is my personal opinion, okay? I am looking at markets moving upward, and it's still going to move upward. So the best time to buy is where it is right here, for that crazy pump is going to come in, especially when you get that listing on major exchanges, which will come definitely today, tomorrow, and throughout this week. And this is what you need to understand. And when you are buying, ensure that you buy the right token. Don't buy fake one or a scam token. And this is very important. You need to check the smart contract and ensure that you are buying the right one, because there are other derivative which is not the right one. So Melania is a good buy, and it is a meme. You have to understand that and risk what you can afford to lose. Very, very important. You need to risk what you can afford to lose. And if we go back to official Trump, which is right here. I want to talk about this briefly because this is coming back down. This was officially launched 2 days ago. And if you look at the price action, it is covered that the market is coming back down. And that is what I was expecting. Market should come back down. I'm not holding this and I did not buy anyway. And if you look at the transaction side, this transaction area, it is called that these are all sell transactions, which mean the people that bought are possibly collecting profits. So if you want to buy, this is not the right time to buy right now. If you are familiar with technical analysis, market is going to definitely come back down before any pump is going to come into the market. So what you need to do right now is to check this transaction area. You see $10,000. This is sell transaction. We have 8,000, 8,000 right here, 10,000. We have all of these transaction that is ongoing on chain. And this is just seconds ago, okay? And if you look at it, market is dumping as well as the sell pressure is coming in. Market is dumping with it right here. So the best thing to do is to wait. If you're familiar with technical analysis, is to do some technicals. And I am expecting that the market come back down below this very level. That is my personal expectation. Even though inauguration is today, I'm expecting the market should come back down. Okay, creating a new low to this very area of $25 to this very area of $10. So between $25 to $10 to $12, I'm expecting the market to come back down within this very area before any move to the upside. And this is what I am personally expecting right now on this very Trump coin, which is a meme token. So official Trump is going to come back down. And this is what you need to expect from this very token right now, because of we have a lot of sell pressure coming in right now. Look at the market capitalization. It has done a way big $10 billion, okay, compared to Melania, which is just 1.7 billion, and the liquidity is $768.4 million, which means this coin now have capacity of correcting, which is what we are seeing right now on the price action. Market should correct before any move to the upside. So correction should come in right now for this very token. And this is very, very important. So if you go back to this very area, you see that this very one, this is official Elon coin. This very one right here is also coming back to the downside. But let's take a look at it and see how this is going to play out. If you look at this, there is a combination of buy and sell pressure. But if you also take a look at it, market has pumped down. I'm on the 1 hour chart. Market from here have possibility of moving all the way to the upside. Official Elon is still going to move upward, and I'm expecting this move to start from where it is right now, okay, because market has dropped significantly. So from this very area where the market is right now, expect the market to move from here gradually. And as you can see, the market capitalization is still very, very small, $36.7 million. And the liquidity is locked, as you can see at this very point, locked liquidity. So this is what you need to do right now. If you want to buy, put in some dollars. Market is going to move upward. However, I'll prefer Melania compared to Elon. Then the next one is very, very important, which is going up, which is this very one, official Eric. Okay, so official Eric is just out, and we see this very spike all the way to the upside and this very big crash back all the way down. If you look at the market capitalization is $2.4 million, and the liquidity is locked $303K. Okay, not that much locked liquidity, but it's still going to increase anyway. If you come to the transaction area, it is covered that there are buy and sell transactions, and this is pretty okay as well. So for now, I will look at Melania and Eric and then put some little money into Elon. For now, I will say official Trump is going to come back all the way to the downside before any movement to the upside. So I will prefer buying these other three. Okay, it has not been listed on major exchanges. I don't know whether it is as I'm recording this video, but when it officially come to other major exchanges, the pump is going to be then very, very aggressive. Right now, if you look at this official Eric, market is coming back down. But if I come back to the 15-minute chart, it has covered this pump market drop. So it is at a very good point to buy, okay, for the next move all the way to the upside. It has not even reached a $3 million market capitalization, which means markets still have more capacity of moving all the way to the upside. So these are all meme tokens, okay? Put in 10, 20, 50, $100. What you can afford to lose, don't put in much. We know that there are a lot of ways that are here making a huge buy. And this is what you need to do if you want to invest in. This three is good for me compared to buying official Trump right now, which is far way high, market capitalization over $10 billion. The price is coming back down. Okay, the price is coming back down. This is $53. Why this is going to go up, in my opinion. So this Melania is a good buy, and official Eric is also a good buy with this Elon. Okay, it will be later good to buy official Trump after retracement. After retracement is a good entry. And if you are familiar with technical analysis, you can do that yourself. So these are very important, guys. Now let's look at this JD. If you look at JD Vance, official JD, look at official JD, and from this logo, it will tell you that these are just meme token coming from a single source. Market is still going to move upward. Okay, I'm on the 15-minute chart right here. This was just launched just few minutes ago, and I believe it's also going to move all the way to the upside. So this is what you need to do, guys. These are the ones I am looking at. If you want to consider JD a buy, you have to do a little bit of more research before you do that. But I also see that it's going to also move all the way to the upside. So that is very important, guys, and you need to pay attention to all of this because the market is very crazy right now. And please, when investing in meme token, don't just buy. You buy the ones that don't have a big market capitalization. For example, this very official Trump have done $10 billion. Look at Melania right here, 1.6 billion. And if you look at official Elon, we have 36.9 million. And official Eric, 2.9 million. We have JD, $1 million. So these ones that still have little market capitalization will be good to invest in compared to this official Trump right here. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe right now, turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching.